Going for a headshot, man. What is going on, guys and gals? Fitzy here, just getting to the woods. Got a beautiful morning, man. Nice and crisp. It's about 7:30, about 40 degrees, no wind. Should be a picture perfect day for squirrel hunting. See what happens? Stay tuned. Yes, we dropped them, baby. We dropped them. I've only been out here maybe 10 minutes. I just hang out in this one spot. Boom. Squirrel down. Yes. That was a nice headshot, man. Probably about, geez, I want to say 25, 30 yards away. Right, man, let's go recover them. Hopefully that's one of a couple more. 2, 3, 4 more tops. Yeah, baby. Awesome. Nice shot. Love this thing, man. I love it. Yes, we dropped them, baby. We dropped them. There he is. I see him. I've been looking for this guy for a few minutes. Oh yeah, nice. There he is. I see you. Oh yeah, buddy. Nice. Nice. Ah, yeah, trying to get him to nice headshot, baby. All right. Nice headshot. Beautiful. There we go, boys. First squirrel. Awesome. Awesome. First squirrel down, man. Ed gun Leshiy 2 air rifle and 22 cal, man. It's probably a 25, 30 yard shot, probably more like a 30, 35, man. It was a good shot, man. He was a ways away, up in the limbs, up in the trees. I was just kind of hanging by this tree and I happened to spot him. Wasn't going to take the shot just because there's a lot of leaves and branches in the way, and then I had a clear shot to the head, and that's where we dropped him, man. Nice little headshot. Awesome. All right, man. Day is still young. Hopefully we can get some more shots, man. They should be moving today. It's a beautiful, picture perfect squirrel hunting day today. All right. That's Charlie Mike. I'm hunting a little patch not too far from my house, man. And it's loaded with squirrels, but it's thick. It's got a ton of thick underbrush, branches, you name it, deadfall. It's got a couple open patches, man, and some nice big gold trees. So if you catch them up in the tree limbs, especially now that the leaves are starting to drop, you'll get a nice clean shot. But anything on the ground can be difficult. A lot of times you'll spot them in this stuff and you'll lose them. As quick as you see them, you lose them. We're making our way to a little bit more of an open patch where I think we might sit down. Just gotta navigate through this thick, nasty crap, man. Oh man, there are squirrels everywhere. I got one barking over here in this tree. I just saw one behind me. I just shot one. I was just walking along. I looked to my right and boom, there's a squirrel. Took an offhand shot. It's only about a 20-yard shot. 15, 20-yard shot. But I took an offhand shot. I hit him. It sounded like it hit something, like a rock or something. But it kind of wounded him, and then I finished him off with a headshot. So we'll go get this guy quick. I was gonna go to this one spot and kind of set up against a tree, but like I said, I bumped into this one. I just happened to look to my right. There he was, moving. All right, man, beautiful day. I had another one, like I said before, was moving behind me here, and this is the way I was heading. So oh yeah, let's go get this guy. Oh yeah, look at all the blood. Blood everywhere. There he is, man. I don't know where we shot him the first time, but oh, these are some young ones. Oh, this one's not too young, I guess. But yeah, I don't know where we shot him the first time. But we definitely finished him off with a headshot. All right. Beautiful, baby, beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and make our way to where we're going to sit down for a little bit. All right. There we go, man. Squirrel number 2. Like I said, I don't know where I shot him the first time. Maybe it looks like maybe in the chest here. Maybe in the chest there. I don't know. He was definitely down and wounded, but we finished him off with a headshot. And then they started doing the funky chicken, bouncing around like they do after a headshot. But squirrel number 2, man. Day's still young. Two squirrels. Oh, don't move on me. Don't move on me. Oh, that branch is right in the way. Right in the way. going for a headshot, man. We got him, boys. That's squirrel number 3. He had a buddy that was hanging out with him. There he is, barking. His little buddy. Thank you. It's not even. What time is it? It's like 8:35. I don't want to bust too quick, but I like to kind of enjoy the hunt a little bit and be out in the woods. That's squirrel number 3, and I'm usually happy with 2 or 3. And my personal limit is 4, so if we shoot another, I'll probably call it a day. So I don't want to shoot it too quick, you know. I want to enjoy the morning a little bit out here. It's a beautiful, gorgeous morning, man. That was another nice headshot, man. Probably 30, 35 yards away. This thing, man. That gun Leshiy. 22 cal. I'm shooting the JSB Hades pellet. 15.89 grains. Probably about 850 feet per second. This thing is a tack driver, man. It's so nice to carry in the woods. Nice and compact. Just a joy, so. Very, very accurate. And it's nice to shoot, you know. Offhand. It's nice and lightweight, but well balanced. Not too light, you know what I mean? And it's nice for swinging in tight spots, man. Especially like this is my weak side, my right side. But, you know, nice and easy to turn it around, swing it to the right, get position, and then take the shot, so. All right, man, we'll go get this guy. There's that other buddy of his, but like I said, I don't want to bust too soon, so we're gonna enjoy this morning for a little bit longer. Go maybe set up on another spot, and if we get one more, then that'll be it, man. That'll be the hunt. So another black-faced squirrel. There's a lot of black-faced squirrels in this patch of woods that I'm hunting today. A lot of them. All right, let's go get them. It's right by this fallen log, and there he is. Awesome, man. Awesome. Yep, another, like I said, black-faced squirrel. Another headshot right in the eyeball area. All right, boys and girls, check them out. Third squirrel, another headshot. Awesome. Okay, again, squirrel number 3. Nice headshot right there. And it's about 8:45. Like I said, man, I don't want the hunt to end too early. I'm not about the numbers. I'm about being out in the woods, enjoying the day, man. It's a beautiful day. I can't express how gorgeous it is. It's just picture perfect, man. It's probably maybe 40, 42, 43, 44, 45 degrees right now. Nice and cool, and like no wind at all. So, you know, I don't want the day to end too early. We're gonna move to another patch of these woods, you know, just kind of explore a little bit, walk around, and you know, maybe set up at another spot. I don't know, but yeah, man, just, oh man, it's so nice. I don't want it to end, you know. It's my last day of vacation. I'm on vacation, and today's my last day. I go back to work tomorrow, so just wanted to get out, enjoy a beautiful day. I looked at the forecast. It was supposed to be gorgeous today, so yeah, man, try to make the most of it and stay out here for maybe another hour. I definitely want to shoot one more, but I don't want to shoot it too quick. I just want to kind of sit down next to a tree, enjoy the peace and quiet, walk through the woods, enjoy the peace and quiet. So, all right, man. It's Charlie Mike. Something's cutting nuts close by. I can't see him though. I don't have eyes on. I'm just gonna sit here, patiently wait. I know it's coming from this area over here. He's right behind that. There he is. We got him. He's down. Oh, I see him. There's another one barking on that tree. There he goes. There he is. I've got the sun in my eyes. It's hard to see him. There's a bunch of leaves, but there's another squirrel over there barking. They'll do that a lot of times when you shoot. Whether you miss or drop one of his buddies will start barking. I heard some cutting. It was probably him. No, he's back to cutting. I can't see him, but I know he's over on that tree somewhere. Cutting away. We're gonna chill here for a second, then we'll go get that guy. Pretty sure it was a headshot, man. It was an easy shot. He was like, geez, 10 yards away. 15 tops, but probably more like 10. I knew I hit him, but I thought it was a bad hit, but he just kind of leapt and went that way. And then he expired. He's only 10 yards away, so we'll get him in a second. We're gonna chill out here for just a little bit. That's squirrel number 4, which is my personal limit, but if I get a shot, I might go to 5. Because it's still early, man. Jeepers. 10 after 9. I got 4 squirrels in an hour and a half. I really don't want the hunt to end just yet. The second squirrel's still cutting nuts. Gnawing on some nuts. Hi, we've been hanging out here for a little bit after shooting that squirrel. Just listening to that one cutting a nut. Let's go ahead and recover him. Got 4 down, man. It's like 9:15. And I might hang out for a little bit longer just because it's a beautiful day and I don't want it to end already. But 4 is usually my limit, man. It's my personal limit. Limit in New York is 6. But I'm usually done at 4. Tops. I'm happy with 2 or 3, but 4 I usually call it quits. But we might hang out for just a little bit longer just because it's such a beautiful day. So all right, let's go recover this guy. There he is. Where did we get him? Huh. Looks like we got a shoulder shot. He was close, man, so might have hit low. I was going for the head, but looks like we got him in the chest. No, he's down. He did that leap, that death leap, and then expired. Awesome. Squirrel number 4. Nice size squirrel. Alright, guys and gals, it's just after 9:30. I'm gonna call it, man. Like I said, 4 is my personal limit, and we got 4. Got 2 grays and 2 black color phase squirrels. So just a beautiful, awesome morning. Quick hunt, a little bit too quick, but you know, what are you gonna do? I guess it stinks to have success. But yeah, again, Ed Gun Leshiy 22 air rifle. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous little tack driver. Love it. I've got the DNT Zulu's scope 5-20 on top. It's a nice little compact package right there. Yeah, man, I guess I'll go home. I got to work on some videos and do some stuff around the house. And like I said, today was my last day of vacation, so back to work tomorrow. But season's still young, and we'll be out a ton, guarantee. But as always, take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.